The United States is expanding production of a 30,000-pound bomb designed to target nuclear facilities. The US arsenal has an infinite number of bombs of various types and variants for a multitude of missions. At SDB Paveway and JDAM, LJDAM as well as the Mk.80 series dump bombs are the best known and most commonly used. Ammunition plant in southeast Oklahoma is being expanded to at least triple monthly production of the US's biggest non-nuclear bomb, a weapon often invoked in debates about a potential attack on deeply buried nuclear facilities in Iran or North Korea. Known as a bunker buster can be dropped only from a B-2 stealth bomber. It's far bigger than the unguided 2,000-pound explosive that the Biden administration has postponed sending to Israel out of concern for civilian casualties in its war to defeat Hamas in Gaza. Carried exclusively by the most expensive aircraft in the US fleet, the B-2 Spirit bomber. It's named GBU-57 Massive Ordnance Penetrator, a 30-pound bomb 6 meters long made to hit important targets protected by extremely reinforced bunkers. The facility under construction at the 70 square mile McAllister Army ammunition plant will significantly increase production as needed, the Air Force said in a statement. The Army has described the new bomb assembly area at the Oklahoma plant as a state-of-the-art facility that has the ability to support the production of 2,000 to 30,000 pound assets, as well as providing flexible explosive mixing options needed for future requirements. Is scheduled to be completed by late spring to early fall, according to the service, with a ribbon-cutting ceremony scheduled for July 30. For all the latest updates, subscribe our YouTube channel.